Hi guys, this is Drift GB and today I'm going to start the video and basically my money has increased a lot but the diamonds are not increased even 1% also. So now I have got something new shirts and all, and I got the same shirt which I got before, means this one, but now I'm wearing this one. So this is the gold rank jacket, so I'm wearing this, and I have even claimed something else. Yeah, so guys, let's start. So I'm always using ranked match only. So guys, if you're going in a Kalahari map, the most best place to get the nice weapons is the refinery. But if you go in the normal Bermuda map, then for that you have to go to shipyard, mill, or Mars Electric. That these three places are good for guns, and you can become pro easily if you play correctly. Sometimes it does not start the game. So guys, today's video also will be a bit long because if if I kill the enemies, the lesser the time will take to make, to finish the video. So now it is like 3 minutes done. Google Buddha Viper infield and I have with me the cat name is back of me now, and yeah, the game has started very easily, very fast. Let me check my volume. Okay, I need more. P1 I need P1 I need P1 P1 So guys, actually I wanted to go refinery but I came somewhere else. So now I am going to the other place known as confinement something. So this place is I didn't came anymore right now. So from here till the refinery I will go. So what I will do is I will locate the map. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm going to now land on someone's rooftop. Rooftop is the best place where you can get things, but I'm trying to pull it up. So now with together with me someone else also is came down, but I don't know from where will he come. He easily got the gun, I don't know from where, but he can kill me at any cost because his gun is more powerful than me and I have a pistol right now. So I have to be prepared nicely, and the safe zone is going to shrink in at any time because I'm at the edge of the saves. I mean, so one guy is coming. So guys, I don't have the medical kits, but I know that one guy is in the building. If I get him, I'll kill him at any cost because I have the UMP right now. I don't know from where is he coming. I don't know from where is he coming actually. I have the now guys, I have the AK. AK is the best gun through which you can play. And even AN94, which is also a nice gun. That if someone comes, I have to be careful right now. 1 medical kit, 2 asthma, whatever is there. Actually, he ran from here and he's like, I don't know where he went, but I don't know where he went now. So now, yeah, it's more hard for me to play because I am also scared from where someone will come. And once if I lose, then it will be a big mistake because yesterday I lose many times. I didn't got Booyah. Booyah we'll always get whenever we win. And let's check what happens. So now guys, once if I get the scope, I can kill anyone with this. And they cannot even know from where am I killing them. So now I'm going to go in someone else's house. But guys, be always in the house. Stay safe. Yeah. Actually, why the reason why did I shoot now was like to show my arrow inside the map. Now everyone will come here only because in everyone's map my arrow has came. So let's see what happens. So whoever are in the nearby will come here. So guys, you can no, he's not a person. Actually, it's even more dangerous now because I'm in an open area right now, so anyone can kill me at any place. So the refinery is just near to me. When it's guys very awesome also to do that. But I need to be in safe, so for this let me take some helmet. I got some helmet, so I don't get hurt directly. And what is inside this? So guys, there's a VSS Riper bullet, and guys, what I'm gonna take is a sniper. So sorry, I mean I'll take wait, move. So now boom. So now instead of UMP I took the sniper. Sniper is actually very nice thing, so like you can kill anyone from far. But if someone is nearby, just take AK and just shoot him on his head. Actually, it does not happen to everyone. Whoever is lucky, they can shoot on someone's head. The game is actually going very slow. I thought someone is coming. The problem is anyone can come at any time, but I didn't even kill 1 people, and 18 people are alive right now. So my video will go very long actually. Even if I kill 1 person, it is a big thing for me. I cannot find anyone only. But guys, I'll go with my bare legs only because no use of going with the bike, otherwise someone will come and they will shoot me. That is a problem. I'm thinking to take a jeep right now. Jeep is actually near to the refinery post, but the problem is when anyone shoots over there, then the problem will be like the smoke will come from the car, so that's why. Okay, let's go. So guys, I'm just reaching to the place. I just put the GPS right now so that it's easy for me to reach to the refinery. And let's see from here. So we'll crouch and check whether someone is there also or not here, because now I went to the wait. So anyone can think I'm here somewhere, but let's check. So here actually guys, refinery was a place where everyone someone is near now. So guys, I'll take AK right now because 1 guy is on the left part, so I'm gonna kill him. I'm having the AK right now, so I can shoot him at any cost. So guys, I'll go silently and I will shoot him like anything. check where is he first of all. He's there in the refinery, inside the refinery, guys. He's there, somewhere. I don't know where is he now, but it's even hard. I'm also scared from where he will come. So danger, guys. We need to run from here. Missiles are gonna shoot on here. It's a danger, so we have to run. Some blast happened. Actually, someone is who's shooting me. Gosh, shit. Actually, guys, maybe he was having the sniper, so he killed me. Actually, even I was also having the same sniper, but he killed me directly. So, guys, I have lost 3 times, and it is a very shameless thing for me. So, I hope you like my video, and the video, and then please and share and. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, my YouTube video, and share it and comment below how was it, and turn on the bell for my latest notifications and latest videos, and share it and comment below how was it, and thanks for watching.